Brightest Life channel will feature today's topic about 10 nutritional needs for men's health. When it comes to nutrition, we generally all need the same thing: food that provides energy and nutrients like vitamins and minerals. But a healthy diet looks different depending on your age and gender. Men tend to have more muscle mass, larger stature, and a higher metabolism than women. We need calories and fiber throughout the day, as well as higher amounts of certain essential vitamins and minerals compared with women. Men also have gender-specific nutrient needs, such as promoting healthy testosterone levels. 1. Protein. The current daily recommended intake of protein for the average adult male is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. 2. Fiber. Most of us do not meet our daily recommendation for fiber intake. In fact, 97% of men fall short of the recommended 28 to 34 grams of fiber per day. 3. Omega-3s. Men need about 1.6 grams of omega-3 fatty acids daily. It suggests getting enough omega-3s in your diet along with proper caloric intake help decrease your risk of diet-related chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. 4. Vitamin D. Most men do not get enough vitamin D, a problem because sufficient vitamin D is crucial for bone health. The combination of vitamin D and calcium intake helps prevent the weakening or softening of bones. 5. Calcium. Calcium helps promote bone health, suggests that adequate calcium intake can help reduce your risk of colon and rectal cancer. 6. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a role in muscle contraction, physical performance, and helping the body produce energy. When magnesium intake is low, your energy levels and physical performance can suffer. 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for wound healing and collagen production. As a potent antioxidant, getting enough vitamin C may help prevent or slow the development of certain cancers. 8. Creatine. People of all ages may benefit from creatine supplementation. Creatine helps enhance strength, increase muscle mass, and improve recovery after a workout. 9. Collagen. Collagen helps prevent bone collagen breakdown and relieve pain from certain joint conditions, such as osteoarthritis. Collagen daily can help improve joint pain and joint function. 10. Fenugreek extract. After we hit 30, testosterone concentrations decline in men at a rate of about 1% each year. Fenugreek seed extract in dosages of 500 to 600 milligrams per day may help fight this decline. Please like, comment, share this video and subscribe to our channel Brightest Life. Thank you for watching.